Hi, my name is Dan Pergett, sales consultant with MarineMax in Rogers, Minnesota. Today we're looking at an all-new 2020 Nautique GS24. As you can see, this boat has the gold accent on the exterior. Got a nice swim platform and the all-new seats here at the transom to put your boards on. Inside this GS24, got the nice Mystic White interior, tan and blue accents. See the JL audio sound system, lighted cup holders, nice spot here to put your cell phones, charging ports. Here in the bow, nice spacious bow. Again, a couple JL audio speakers, got a bunch of cup holders, got a great touchscreen helm. Again, my name is Dan Pergett, sales consultant with MarineMax in Rogers, Minnesota. Stop out and check this boat out. And as always, hit the like and subscribe button for more videos.